this is our first lesson in this program. Now, this will be a little bit different maybe to what you see on other websites. Flamenco-y mariachi band. Alright, hard for me to play that one slow, because what it really sounds like is use that really big. And this beautiful descending run becomes something pretty special. So where you've got the root note on top, underneath will be a minor, and either side you'll have your major chords. So if you're running your descending, so we go. Okay, so we can. Nail that one. All right. 2, 3, 4. Have a little play with this as well, just for the sheer enjoyment of it. We'll leave it there. See you next time.